The dollarization discipline, the science of talking money. The weekend arrives and you are shopping for paint to freshen up the outside of your home. You arrive at the local paint store to find many choices. You narrow the possibilities down to two. Product X costs $12 a gallon, product Y costs $20 a gallon. Which paint should you buy? I strongly recommend product Y. Its price may be higher, but it will last 8 years, while the other paint will last 4 at best. That means that over 8 years, you'll have to buy product X twice for a total of $24 a gallon versus just $20 a gallon for product Y. Product Y costs less. That's very interesting, but I'm preparing to sell my home, so I don't care about how long this paint will last. I think I'll go with product X for $12. I understand, but I think product Y is still your best choice. You see, product Y contains 50% more pigment, which results in better coverage than product X. This means you will need to apply only one coat to your house. Product X will require at least 2 coats. This will also cut your labor cost in half. Plus, you are guaranteed that your house will look freshly painted, which will improve your success in selling your home. Wouldn't you agree that an extra $8 per gallon is a great investment to sell your house at the price you want? Finally, decide. The $20 paint is actually less expensive than the $12 paint. This is the science of dollarization. It can be applied to any business. To do this, you need a keen understanding of your market positioning, a very good understanding of your competition, and preparation. This is what I do in my class on dollarization, the art of talking money, not features. I train your people to be prepared and capable of talking about money and value for money. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.